first thing you want to try to find out is your monthly payment. Now, if you don't know it off the top of your head, you can either go to a mortgage calculator, or the best way is just to go contact a lender and ask to get pre-approved, and him or her will show you what your monthly payment will actually be at any given property price. And so you have a baseline, right? Now you want to go ahead and figure out what strategy you want to do, right? The strategy that works the best in Denver is the rent by the room strategy, single family home rent by the room. And the more bedrooms and bathrooms you have, the more money you're going to get. So basically what you look for is the most beds and baths for the lowest purchase price. And that's how you're going to make the most money. Now, if you're not interested in making the most money and you want a slightly better living situation, then maybe you find a 4-bedroom house or a 3-bedroom house, right? It'll work for a 3, 4, 5, or 6-bedroom house. 3, you'll be just under, like you'll probably be paying like you'll be paying a little bit towards your mortgage. With 4 bedrooms, you'll be living for free and probably about breaking even. 5, you'll be cash flowing and like living for free as well. So that's really what I look for. Also, kitchens and bathrooms are what take the best pictures. So you want to make sure the kitchens and bathrooms are updated and look good, and people want to move there. And yeah, also I like to look for like locations. I like to be either near a highway. I like to be near bike paths. I like to be near parks, like things that are inviting for people, close to be.